did other prophets, did they used to perform Hajj, and as well as the people of book, Jews and Christians, do we have any records that would they go to Makkah and
Well,
perform Hajj?
well, our historians have told us that we have the grave of Dawood alayhi salam or David near the house of God. That is what they have said. And it is said that he had actually come to offer Hajj and he died there. And other than that, we do not have any records of the Jews and Christians coming to offer Hajj because we know from the very earliest of times, these were the discrepancies that had arisen amongst the understanding of religion. And so, because we know that Jews had altered the scriptures and they had actually said that all these sites which are mentioned, they are found in Jerusalem. So they actually mapped the whole of the Hajj that was to be done in the house of God or around the house of God in Mecca. They mapped it to Jerusalem and said that these sites are not found here. And they also altered this history by saying that it was not Ishmael who was sacrificed; it was actually Isaac who was sacrificed. So because of that, they could not have come and done Hajj here. We can clearly see. But before, I mean, this happened, we know that. I mean, this was something in which these prophets of some of these prophets of God got this chance.